everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. Today I'm going to share my 2021 February planner setup. I have a good news. This month I made this brand new free printable for you. I also created 3 new planner stickers with the same soft sunset theme as my February design. I created this free printable as I promised in my previous video. I will also use my 2021 mini calendar stickers and my new planner stickers for this setup. There are a lot of planner stickers that I can use. I'm very excited. I'm using mulberry scrap papers to decorate the pages for this month, like in my January setup. I'm also using one of the quotes from the vellum paper quote stacks for the cover page. First, I need to tear some mulberry papers. It's very easy to tear the paper with water, and at the same time, I can preserve the beautiful textures of the handmade paper filling. I printed this free printable on sticker paper, which will make it much easier to place them on the pages. I'm cutting one of the photos from my free printable with the vellum paper quote to decorate the cover page. On the right hand side, I'm cutting out a photo of a cherry blossom and placing the February title and this mini calendar sticker. Finally, I'm using a black ink pen and a gray marker to draw some lines and small dots around the photos to finish the look. Now I'm putting on this 2021 sticker from one of my planner sticker sheets. Next is the monthly calendar and the idea page. First, I'm drawing lines for the calendar. Then I'm using my free printable photo with some different colored mulberry papers to arrange on the page. I'm using the stickers from my planner sticker sheets. It makes the setup so much faster and easier, and I have a lot of fun decorating these pages. Then I'm drawing lines and dots around the picture, like on the previous page. Now I'm writing the February title and the days of the week. When I planned this, I made a mistake of counting the boxes wrong, so I fixed it with whiteout and then gluing another mulberry paper onto it to cover the white lines. Isn't it great to learn how to fix your own mistakes and keep going forward? Now I'm placing number stickers for the dates of the month onto the calendar, and then cutting small stickers to decorate the lines on my idea page. Next, I'm drawing a scroll for my to-do list page. It is very fun to draw this. On the right-hand side, I'm making the goals, notes, habit tracker, and the finances boxes. I'm placing mulberry paper and cutting out a part of my free printable background to decorate the page. Now I'm using the planner stickers to put on the to-do, goals, notes, habit tracker, and the finances title. Finally, I'm drawing some gray dots and drop shadows to make the boxes pop and look more 3D. I'm using the date strips from one of my planner sticker sheets for the habit tracker and the finances sections. It is so fun to place these small details on the pages. Next, I'm making my first weekly spread. I'm making a one-page weekly. I'm placing the colored washi tapes on each day and then putting on the stickers for the days of the week. On the right-hand side, I'm making another quarter page. I'm cutting the photo with a corner cutter so the corners of the image will be round and look softer. Then I'm gluing on a quote from my collection. The riches that are in the heart cannot be stolen. I really love flowy and elegant calligraphy that was used to write this quote. This quote page looks very elegant and graceful. The next two pages is my second weekly spread. I'm using planner stickers to put on the days of the week. Then I'm also using the notepad design from my free printable to fill in the empty area. These pages were very fast and easy to make, but it still turned out pretty. Now I'm making my third weekly spread. I'm designing the decorations on the top of the spread and sticking on the days of the week stickers. These mini weekly single habit trackers are so cute. I really like the way that they are placing on the top of the mulberry papers. This pinkish sunset photo is one of my favorite parts of this spread. I feel like this photo brings sunset vibes onto these pages very well. What do you think? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with a new video. Please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments down below. I'm really thankful for your support and encouragement to my channel and my videos. It means a lot for me. Finally, it's my last weekly spread. This is a very simple and easy spread, but it's still so fun to make it. Oh, I also have a free 13-page floral planner kit printable and some other free printables like the mood tracker and the self-care planner that I made for you. If you haven't already downloaded these printables, please check the free download link down below. Also, please check out my Instagram and the Pinterest board if you want more bullet journal ideas. This is a final flick through for my February setup for my bullet journal. I hope you like this setup of using mulberry textured paper and planner stickers to decorate the journal pages. Don't forget to get this sunset themed free printable. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using it. Also, check out my shop for the same soft sunset themed planner stickers if you want to create a similar look for your bullet journals as mine. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!